वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतलीं साऊद आनी भलायकेन. आनी आयज टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल हाऊ टू मेक एग ड्रॉप curry. Okay, egg drop curry without oil, and for that you need coconut juice. It's a coconut curry, so you need around 1 coconut juice, that is around like 2 cups, and 1 whole coconut it is, and approx like 250 ml. Okay, so this is coconut juice. Then I had made this bibinka, and these whites were there. 5 egg whites were there, so I'm going to use this in my egg drop curry, but you can take 5 eggs or 3 eggs or whatever. Plus I'm going to use this whole eggs in this. Then we need tamarind pulp, that is 1 tablespoon, a small ball of tamarind pulp, salt to taste, and these are the masalas what we need. 2 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. This is 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, and this is 1 teaspoon of chicken masala powder. So we need all this. So we'll put this in this and we'll make a paste. You can add directly also when you are adding it in the coconut milk or coconut juice. तर हांव ही आमच्या तांतयाची कोडी जावन दाखयता. जेन्ना आमी बिबिंका करता तेन्ना आमचे एग वायट्स आसता, या तो आमी आमलेट करूं येता या तो आमी कोडी करूं येता. ती आमी म्हणटा तांतयाची कोडी म्हणटा पळय ती. तर तेका लागून हांवें ह्यो एक आख्ख्या नाल्लाचो रोस म्हणजे तूं 2 कोपां म्हणूं येता, 3 तांतयां, आनी हे जावन आसा बिबिंकाचे म्हाजी दोळें, तांतयाचे दोळें 5 ती घेता हांव. आनी हे मसाले जे हांवें दाखयल्या ते आमसाण भिजत घातल्या आनी मीठ. तर आतां हांव हे पेस्ट करता. मिक्स करून पेस्ट करूया. आनी मागीर गार्निश करपाक मागीर तुमी हें घेयात, कोरिएंडर leaves आणि 1 green chili you can add. So हे आमचो पेस्ट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. तो आमची कायल तापल्या, तेल ना. ओके, आता आमी हे घालया. नाल्लाचो रोस आणि आमचो हे मसालो. आणि एका आमी आता मिक्स करात. बरी मिक्स करून घेयात. तुमकां हेजेकीन तांबडो मसालो जाय जाल्यार आनीक तुमच्यान कश्मीरी चिली घालूं येता. हितून आमचे आमसाणेचे पिवन घालात. So let's squeeze this and we'll add this also. Only the pulp. Let it get a boil. We'll add salt to this. Salt is according to your taste. So there should be no lumps, so that's why I use this. This is enough for 3 to 4 people. No oil, no onion, and no tomato. So now we'll drop our egg. So slowly you can drop. And this is my whole 3 eggs. And don't touch. Now we'll cover and cook this for 5 minutes. So we'll cover this and cook this on medium flame. Now I will add this tefal, or we say it in English, it is Indian Szechuan pepper. So there are 5. I'm adding this also. So our egg curry is ready. So if you see, it's ready to eat. So when you are giving it, you have to just check. Yes, it is ready. Little more it need. So here is our egg curry ready to serve. Hope you all will all enjoy this curry. Quick curry, not much hassle. Everything is nicely cooked, and this is mine all 5 egg white. So see how it is all, and it is yum. And this is that 1 egg full. Okay. So thank you so much, and enjoy this curry with bread or anything what you want. Garnish it with coriander leaves. So manta tumka soglang आवडटेले आमचो यो quick video Kodi आणि youngsterang आणि जेंका time ना आणि तेंका तांतयां हा मेवता easily आणि तेंका लागून यो चड आनी चड उपयोगाचो आणि करून खायात आणि मातशें हितून कोरिएंडर लीफ उडयात. गॅस बंद करतात हांव. सो इट लायक्स within 10 minutes your curry is ready. Thank you so much. Hope you all will enjoy this. देव बरें करूं.